Alfie. Alfie. So, one of the cutest moments of the entire day is whenever Dana goes up to the house to go get something, Alfie goes crazy. He gets so sad. And then, this part is really fun. Alfie, come here. Come here. Ready? Are you ready? Go get her.
Hi. 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 Hello.
Oh, he missed you.
Alfie. Hello. I missed you too. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute. I got our gas tank.
Look at you go.
Whew. There's still some in it.
Yeah, a little bit.
You can feel it like slosh.
Yeah. Well, we never used it because it didn't work.
Yeah. Where do you want me to put it?
In the back.
Okay. Come on, Elf.
Did you figure it out, Dana?
No, I keep cranking the rope in. So that. Getting there though.
10 minutes later. What did you do, Dana? Show me.
I figured it out. For somebody who already knows how to use it, easy. Somebody who doesn't know how to use it, very confusing. Then you put this. Then we were having difficulty because how do you get it off once it's tight? I thought you pull this. Oh, it doesn't do it. But if you release both, now this will be like that stable, and then you can take this out, refill it, put it back in the box that doesn't tip over, and then secure it with that strap.
Good job, Dana.
Thank you.
All right. That's how we build our system. What you doing there, Dana?
I am sealing the vent where our gas is gonna come out of if it leaks,
Great.
so that we don't die.
And so we passed German inspections. Wow, I'm impressed. You did it all on your own, Dana.
Huh? Then you go like this.
Ta-da! Alright.
Should fit now. What's that?
Wow. Look at that.
That's a box.
That is a box. You built a box.
Mm-hmm.
Good job, Dana.
Thank you.
Alright, let's finish it up.
Okay, so we gotta screw this in.
So the animals can't become zombies in his kind of idea.
Good morning. You ready to play? You ready to play? Hi. Let's go feed the donkeys.
Another day, another dollar.
Oh yeah. I was gonna say another day, another door shot. That's what I was thinking.
Very cute.
Now I'll get all this stuff out of this car.
Huh?
Can I just take all this stuff out of this car?
Every damn day.
Oh my goodness. But at least we have you. Done?
Hopefully. Look at that.
Cool. Let's get those hinges on.
Yeah. Thank you.
You said you wanted a lot of camera angles.
We got a comment about how many camera angles we have.
Oh.
So I thought we'd get even more.
Bam. Go.
Ta-da!
Look at that.
Look at that. So I just need to sand a tiny bit off here.
Okay, cool. And then let's put the lock in.
Yep.
Great job.
Nice.
So now let's just finish off this lock.
Yeah.
Dun da da.
Wow.
So
Our gas box.
this is our gas box, which is kind of like a closet for this propane tank, and it's a reusable propane tank, so we can fill it up and then when it needs more, redo it. But the main thing that was important for this was that it can't move at all, and that's what this strap is about. And also that no gas can escape into our living quarters. So basically gas is heavier than air, and so it will sink. But if you have any gaps in this and it can spill into where you live, it can be really dangerous because it can affect your air quality. And so there's a vent here in this corner.
Or a vent. Which
And-
has to be 100 centimeters squared at least, I think.
Okay, so minimum 100 centimeters squared. And then the gas, if any escapes, will flow out there. So once we finish putting in the gas lines, we're actually going to go in and put sealant around all of the corners and surfaces to really make sure this is secure. And then when we go back to Germany, we have to get this inspected, and it will pass because we crushed it.
Hopefully. And this concludes the studying portion of the van.
Wow, yeah.
You give us a quick tour?
Yeah, of course. So, let me make room.
Our frame is done.
So this is, before I get into it, you can see from here, this is our bed frame. We have a full-size mattress coming in here, and the frame is a little bit bigger than the mattress, so we're hoping we can sneak in a little bit of like cubbies on the side of it for storage.
We got a lot of storage space underneath.
Underneath, this is all going to be storage. We still have to secure our refrigerator and the battery and do the water system. But this is a huge step in the right direction. The bed is super sturdy, like not going to break. These were the heaviest beams that we bought, and I'm really happy that we invested in them because this is not going to collapse. So let's go in.
Yeah, I mean, we built everything else as light as possible except for the bed, which we built as sturdy as possible.
And exciting news, we stopped by the dump, and our friends there let us weigh our van, and we are way underneath the limit. So we have a little bit more space to work with, and that was with all of this stuff in it. So that's great news. Good job, Lou, on your planning.
1,000 kilos underweight.
Yeah. So, you come in here.
Oop, I gotta climb in.
Okay.
Ouch. In my head. It's gonna happen a lot.
Okay. So, here is our kitchen area, and we're gonna put shelves in there. But we didn't want to put the shelves in until we A, know what pots and pans exactly we're bringing so we have the right space, and B, once all the piping is in, because we have to put gas and electrical to the stove and water for there. So yeah, this was a good amount of work. This is what like the last 8 days have been about, basically. We have our bathroom. We actually changed our mind. We're not going to keep this door. I think we're going to switch it to like a very heavy duty curtain because this might be a little bit too much. There's our bathroom.
It's a urine separation toilet that we built. Very cool. Hopefully it works.
Oh gosh. And yeah, so this was mainly about prepping everything so that we can put in the final touches. But I would say we're like days away from finishing.
Yeah.
Like maybe 10 days.
Hopefully.
Right?
Mm-hmm. All right.
We have everything we need now to build it.
Yeah.
Which is exciting. I take that back. We need some wires. But other than that. This is why this is not going to work.
It was a good idea.
I really wanted a door. You know, because that's important. But we have to do a curtain.
Blackout curtain.
Yeah.
Alright, see you next week.
Whoop whoop!
Good job, Dana.
We're really doing it, Lou.
Just gotta connect that guy, connect that guy, connect that guy, connect those guys. Oosh.
Learn plumbing, learn electricity. Solar panel install.
All in a week.
We got it.